love, welcome back to a new video on my channel, or welcome if you're completely new. Hi, my name is Elena. I really hope you enjoy watching this video and I hope you stick around. So in today's video I have an unboxing for a gorgeous brand that reached out to me, and as soon as I saw the products that they sell on their website, oh my gosh, I was super excited to collaborate with them. So the brand is called Ulivary and they do the most gorgeous nightgowns, kimonos and pajamas that are really luxurious, but they are actually at quite affordable prices. And whenever I was browsing on their website, they had so many gorgeous pieces. It was actually really difficult for me to pick what I wanted because they have so many designs that are absolutely beautiful. So it was a very difficult choice. I think I spent about 2 hours trying to pick out the products that I wanted from them. So let's do a little unboxing so you can see how the products arrive, how gorgeous the packaging is, how luxurious they are, and I will also tell you more information about the products, the materials, the designs and everything like that. So this is how the products arrive. They are in this very interesting packaging with their brand name at the top. One thing I will say is that as soon as I opened the packaging that they came in, I was really blown away by how these were packaged. I think they would make amazing gifts because they're really well packaged, and you can tell that a lot of care and attention has gone into the packaging and design of this. So now let me open this. So the packaging on the back actually has a velcro. How cool is that? I really like that. So when you open this, you can tell it's really nicely packaged actually. It's got a gorgeous white bow. So like I said, these would make really great gifts. And now let's open the bow. I really like the paper that they come in. It's branded with their company logo. And actually the first thing that you see is this little note which says, "Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Ulivary would like to thank you for your purchase." And then it tells you a little bit of information about the company on this. Okay, so now let's open this. So this is one of their kimonos. Okay, so I've had to switch sides because the material is super silky on this one, so I can't really show it to you while holding it like this. It's actually falling down. So this is the kimono. On first impression, the material feels really nice and silky. It feels very luxurious and it feels really nice quality. Gorgeous print as well. That's one thing that I wanted to mention with their products. They have so many beautiful prints that you can choose from. That's why it was really difficult for me to make a choice because all the prints and colors that they offer are really nice. The material on this is really silky and is actually made of high quality polyester charmeuse, which has that very soft and almost like silk feel to the material, and it does feel really nice and luxurious. The material is really soft and lightweight, and these materials are usually perfect for the summertime. However, I will mention, if you have any females in your life that are actually going through the menopause, I think something like this would be perfect because when you're going through the menopause you can actually get very hot. So materials like this are perfect for the women in your life who are going through that period. One benefit of polyester charmeuse is the fact that it's very easy to care for as opposed to mulberry silk. So this material is actually machine washable up to 40 degrees, and it's also wrinkle free, so that means it requires minimal ironing. And because you can actually wash it a lot more frequently than you'd be able to wash mulberry silk, it makes it more cost efficient as well. In terms of the designs, I'll come in closer so you can see how beautiful the designs are. So as you can see, the designs are very unique. They're actually hand painted, Asian inspired, crane and blossom floral prints. They also have other prints on their website such as oriental prints, which are just as equally gorgeous. For instance, look at this print. I absolutely love this. They are so beautiful and feminine, and like I said, they have so many other prints, either floral or oriental. They also have velvet ones that you can choose from. These would make perfect gifts, especially with Christmas coming up. I think these would be gorgeous gifts for the women in your life. I feel like material like this, especially when it comes to nightwear, it just feels so luxurious, and I feel like so many women would appreciate receiving a gift like this, including me. So these are traditionally made to be nightwear. However, you can very easily wear them in other scenarios as well. You can wear it to the beach, you can wear it on holiday, if you're going over to sleep at someone else's house and you want to look a bit more put together, pajama parties or bridal parties. I feel like these would be absolutely perfect. And that actually reminds me, if you are getting married or you know someone that's getting married, they also have some really nice bridal options that I think are worth checking out. Oh my gosh, the material feels so nice. It feels really nice and soft and silky and lightweight on the skin, so perfect for summer. So in terms of sizing, these come in one size fits all, and another reason why I think they would make great gifts is because if you don't know someone's size, whatever size they are, these are most likely to fit them. So this is their garden crane gray kimono, and it retails for £100. In terms of the material, it's the same gorgeous polyester charmeuse material that kind of has the same feel as natural mulberry silk. But like I said already, one benefit of polyester charmeuse is that it's much easier to care for. Machine washable up to 40 degrees. It's also wrinkle free, and because it's much easier to care for at home and you can pop it into your washing machine, that means it's more cost efficient instead of just having to take it to the dry cleaners. I absolutely love the look and feel of this. It feels very lightweight, the material is really comfortable, and I think something like this would be perfect for summer, but not only. And it's also really versatile. You can definitely wear this for multiple occasions. You can wear it for nightwear, of course, like it was designed to. You can wear it during the day with just different outfits. You can wear it to the beach if you have any pajama parties, or if you need to go somewhere where you're going to be wearing your pajamas. I feel like you will definitely look really nice and put together in this. And now let's move on to the second item that I got from them. Well, items I guess, is this gorgeous pajama set. As you can see, it comes in the exact same packaging as the previous one. Again, these I think would be great for gifting. Beautiful packaging, the velcro on the back. Like I said, this might not be the best way to unbox this way because they're really silky and they'll probably come out. So I'm just going to do that off camera and then I'll show you what the products look like. So this is the gorgeous 3-piece ink pajama set, and the material is the exact same polyester charmeuse material that's super nice, soft and silky. I can't wait to put these on and see what they look like. So this is the 3-piece ink pajama set. Let's start with the top. What I love about the top is the fact that it's got this pearl detailing actually here, or beads, which I think make it look really pretty. It's got a cowl neck. It fits really well, and I'm a UK size 6 to 8 usually. And what I love the most about the top is the fact that the straps are actually adjustable, especially if you're petite. I find that a lot of the tops that come with pajama sets, especially sets, when you can buy them individually, sometimes it's better, but when they come in a set, I find that the straps are always too long for me, and then that means I can't really wear the top. However, with this vest, the straps are adjustable, which I think is perfect because I've adjusted the straps to fit me perfectly, and so I feel like they won't be falling off, which is amazing, especially because of the cowl neck. It's actually quite open, so I need the straps to support me. So that's the top. So what I love about the bottoms, first of all, is the fact that they are high-waisted. There is a lot of stretch in the waist. Actually, these do come in sizes, and I picked a size S, which I believe was the smallest size that they did. But as you can see, there is so much stretch, and these are super comfy, especially for nighttime. And because they're pajamas, I feel like comfort is key, and because of the stretch in these are going to be super comfy. And the second thing that I love about these pajamas is the fact that the length actually suits me. So I am 5'2", I am petite, and when you're petite, you know how difficult it is to find pajama bottoms that actually suit you and fit you, and they're not too long. And because of where these cut, these are actually the perfect length for me. I feel like if you were potentially taller than I am, so like I said, I am 5'2", if you were potentially taller than I am, then they would definitely be too short. They would be more kind of cropped, but for me, they are perfect, and I feel like if you're petite, you are going to absolutely love this. And now let's move on to this gorgeous kimono top. So first of all, the print. How gorgeous is this print? I feel like it's a very unique design, and like I was saying, these are inspired by Asian culture. It's got this nice gorgeous sleeve detail here where you tie it. Okay. The material of these pajamas is super nice, super lightweight, comfy. It feels very silky, so I think these would be absolutely perfect in summer, or if you have someone that's going through a menopausal phase, these would be absolutely perfect because like I was saying, they're really lightweight. I feel like these are the kinds of pajamas that, you know, if you put them on, you definitely feel really well put together, and I feel like they're not just great for wearing for nighttime. I think you can definitely wear them out if you wanted to. And this is what it looks like on, and the full look, the full outfit. It looks super nice. Like I was saying, the material is super nice. It feels very silky and lightweight. I think sleeping in this is going to be an absolute delight, and I feel like especially when it comes to sleepwear, I love having stuff that are really nice nice quality. I love really good bedding. I feel like when it comes to your sleepwear is really important as well, just to make sure that you have a really good night's sleep, and sleep is so important for your just general well-being. Investing in really good quality sleepwear is a must, particularly for me. Like I said, they have so many more other designs on their website, so I recommend you check them out. They have also kindly provided me a discount code that you can use if you're interested. The discount code is ELENA. I'll leave all the details that you need to know in the description section down below, and I'll leave the discount code on the screen as well if you're interested, along with their website and all the other information that you may need. Like I said, this one is one size fits all, and the pajama I picked it up in a size S. I really hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And until next time, take care and bye for now.